Hi, teachers. I hope that you are having an awesome Monday. I want to welcome you to Superhero Headquarters, and today we're going to be talking about a teacher resource that I found. This is not a promotional video. I just found this resource and I decided to share it because I think that it is awesome. I think that it will be extremely useful to everybody. I know that as teachers right now transitioning to virtual learning, it's very difficult because a lot of the resources that we're used to using are in paper format, and we don't know how to make them as interactive and fun as we used to in the classroom. So I went searching because Ms. Dorch didn't want to use Google Forms. I didn't want to use any of Google Slides. I didn't want to have to do all of that work. I just wanted to do the bare minimum, okay, with these worksheets. And so in searching, I found something that I think would work perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Again, you can always comment on this video to let me know if you need additional assistance. I hope this video kind of gives you a better breakdown. I'm also going to link a YouTube video on the side or under this video that shows you other ways or the other ways that you can make your activities interactive. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go to liveworksheets.com. When I get here, I'm going to click the second tab. Now, something cool about this website is there are already a boatload of interactive worksheets that you can choose from. So maybe, you see something on here that you would want to use. That is your choice. But for the sake of showing you how to make your worksheets interactive, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. I'm going to show you some features of this website as well. So you can choose to have your students access this website. I know that we're tired of giving our parents all of these passcodes and things like that, but it does have an option to give student access. But because I don't want to give my parents another access code, I'm just going to send it to them and allow them to send it back to me via email. And then it'll go right into the site for me. Okay, so you can go ahead and create a teacher site. This way, when the children do send you the email, it goes directly to your live worksheets, tab. It does not go to your personal email. It's going to go into your little mailbox that's inside of this website. Something cool about this website is that it is free until December of 2020. After that, you do have to pay. However, hopefully we won't have to use this after the fact. But yeah, so it'll have a place where all your worksheets that you created are in there. If you choose to put your students in there, it'll show you your students. You can even create a workbook, an interactive workbook if you choose to do that. Your mailbox is where they'll put all of your mail that you get. So whenever the students send it back to you, it'll be in this little part. People can follow you. It'll send you notifications, all of these cool things right here. So let's get into what you logged on for. So let Ms. Dorch be quiet and show you what to do. Here's how we make interactive worksheets. We're going to click the Make Interactive Worksheets. You can choose to do a tutorial or watch a video tutorial, but you're doing that right now. So let's get started. So the first thing you do is you're going to upload your worksheet. So I'm going to choose what worksheet I want. Okay, I'm going to do my nouns lesson. It's going to upload. Okay, so now it's uploaded. As you can see, this noun worksheet was a cut and paste worksheet. But now I'm going to make it a drag and drop for my online students. The way that I do that is very, very simple. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create boxes around each of these. Now you want to make the boxes as perfect as you can because when they try to drag and drop it, it'll start acting funny. So then I'm going, because this is a drop box, this is where they're going to drop their answers. Whoop. I'm going to put drop colon. The colon is like a code, so it signifies to the computer that this is something that you want the children to drop in. And I'm going to put 1. Now, because there are two answer choices for both of the options, I'm going to put both of them in the box. So I'm going to put drop 1 and 2. So then I'm going to go ahead and go over here, and I'm going to make another box. Drop 3 and 4. I should put or 4 instead of and. 1 and 2, 1 or 2. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same for over here. Drop colon 5 or 6. Drop over here. Drop colon 7 or 8. Bam. And then over here, I'm going to just go ahead and copy this. No, I didn't mean to take that off. 1 or 2. Okay. So I'm going to go down here. Let me go back. I didn't mean to make that small box. And I'm going to put the same thing that I put in the box up top because this is the second option. So drop. Come on. Don't act like that. Sorry, y'all. Excuse my computer. Okay. So drop 1 or 2 again because this is the same drop box. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Then I'm going to make another drop box. Drop 3 or 4. Hopefully I'll be able to speed this video up so you won't have to sit through all this, but if you do, I hope it helps. 5 or 6. And then drop 7 or 8. Drop 7. Ooh. Now, if you notice, if I don't put the colon, it's not going to give me an underline. 7 or 8. So let me go back. Okay. Ooh. And then I guess I did something wrong right here because this is not underlined. I didn't even spell drop right. Drop 1 or 2. Okay, so all of them, this one is incorrect. Are now done. Okay. There we go. So now I'm going to go to the bottom to my actual drag boxes. Now, drag 1 and 2 need to be the people. So I'm going to find my people, which would be my girl. So I'm going to go over here. And I'm going to put drag because that's the action that I want to happen. I want them to be able to drag, colon, 1. And then I'm going to go over here. Oops. Y'all gotta excuse my technology. I'm going to put drag 2, colon, 2. Okay. So then I'm going to go over here. The next boxes were animals, 3 and 4. So I'm going to go to dog, drag 3, drag. Now, if I was to highlight the whole box, like even the dotted lines would move, but I'm not interested or care about all that, so I'm going to leave it like that. And then the next boxes were places 5 and 6. So this is 5. I'm going to make this 5. Drag 5. And let's see. And this would be drag 6. Now you don't have to make the D capitalized. I did that because I'm just used to typing like that. Drag 7, drag semicolon, colon 7, and then this is drag 8. Okay, bam. So now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and now you can choose to have them type their names up here. But one thing that I noticed when I did that, it kind of counted it as a question. So, you know, if you're like me and you're a stickler for kids who don't put their names on papers, you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and make a box. And I'm just going to put type name here, semicolon. Then right here, I'm going to put type date, semicolon. So now I'm going to preview. Okay, so it says there's errors on my worksheet. And I think it's because I put 2 things in one drag box. So I'm just going to go back and I'm going to take one of them off. Later, I'm going to figure out how I can make it more than one. I'm going to make this 2. Make this 3. Make this 4. Make this 5. Yeah, I'm supposed to have on glasses. Oh, I didn't even know I did that. Make this 6. I skipped a whole number. Make that 7. Make this drag 8. Okay. So as you can see, those went away because the drag boxes are correct now. Now I'm going to go ahead and preview my worksheet. So this is how my worksheet is going to look to my students, okay? This is how you make sure that it works. When I click the type button, I can type my name. I can type the date, okay? Now I'm going to drag. So animals. They're going to be able to drag this inside of this box. Ooh, my bad. This is the animal box. Okay, so this is happening because of the way that I drew the boxes. Okay, so I know that they can drag and drop. I know that the drag and drop is working. So now I'm going to go ahead and save my worksheet. You have to keep them private if you did not create the worksheet from scratch because it is against the law to alter someone else's worksheet. They'll cancel your account. So I'm going to enter a title. This is going to be called Nouns. Okay. I'm going to save it. Then this is the link to my worksheet. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and go to my Remind app. You can put it in your Google Classroom, but I'm going to remind because I don't want to send it to all of my parents. Okay. Oh, I thought I did for a second. So I'm going to send it to my co-teacher here. So I'm going to find her name. Clearly, parents are still texting me. I'm going to paste the drag and drop. Okay. So now that I've pasted it, I'm going to click the link myself so that I can actually go to it. So here's the actual worksheet. So when they click on the link, this is what it will look like. So the kids will be able to so let's see. We're going to move the pieces where they go. Dog is an animal. Sheep is an animal. Okay. Sheep. Boy. Girl. House. School. Come on. There we go. Map. Oh, come on, map. Let's put you up here then, since you don't want to go. Map. Okay, rudeness. Ball. Let's move map. Okay, map, I guess, won't be brick. Maybe I did. So then they're going to click finish. Now they can choose to check their answer. So it says they got a 4 out of 10 because they did not put their name. Remember I told you that their names are counted. And because they're in the wrong spaces. So they can just go ahead. Well, it graded it. But you know, once you grade it, that you'll be able to do it. Now, if I want them to send it to me, I want to go back. Let's go back. So, it took me back to this page. I'm going to go back to remind and go back to the actual worksheet. I'm not going to put this in there. I'm just going to click finish. And then email my answers to my teachers. They're going to put their full name in here, their grade level, ELA if they want to. They don't have to fill in these boxes. Whatever email you used as a teacher to sign up for your live worksheet account, they have to use. So because I didn't use my Hines County email, I'm going to go in and change it. But you can also create a key code that they can put in. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the email that I use. It says your answers have been sent to your teacher. Good luck. So this is what happens. When I go back into my live worksheet, when I go to my name, let me move this. When I click Dorch and I go into my mailbox, I can see both of the worksheets. When I click the worksheet, it's going to show me the person's name at the top. So you don't even have to do this so it doesn't grade it. It'll show me once because they put their name in it, whose worksheet it is and what they did. So this one has a 0 because of the way it went. So that is how you use live worksheets. You can turn drag and drops. You can do drag and drops. You can also do the ones where you connect the dots, multiple choice, whatever you choose. Like I said, I'm going to link the YouTube video that I followed. But I hope that this video helped. I hope that you learned to love this website just as much as I do. If you have questions, just drop them in the drop box. Again, welcome to Superhero Headquarters, and I hope this helped. I'll see you on the flip side.